Okay, so now we're going to install the front lip from Aerofabb. This requires to remove the bumper, so we put the car on a couple of ramps, so it just gives us a bit more clearance to get all of the bolts underneath. So let's start removing the bumper now. So the tools you'll need for the install will be the drill with a 1/4 inch drill bit, a 4mm Allen key or 10 hex socket, 10mm wrench, and all the provided hardware, of course. So I pulled all of the hardware out of the bag so you can see it. The first one we're going to use is A, which is the alignment hardware. They're just 2 push clips. And when we get the splitter onto the bumper, we're going to put those push clips in to help keep the splitter in place. So while we drill the holes, everything is lined up and proper. And going forward, B, C, D, E. These are going to be the next ones after we get the holes drilled to sandwich the inner piece to the bumper to the splitter. So the first step to installing the splitter would be to locate the holes on each side, as so. These holes will be your guide to line up the splitter to the bumper, and then after that we can drill our holes based on the holes that are pre-existing on the splitter. Okay, now that we have the splitter lined up, we're going to drill through the holes that it says on the instructions with a 1/4 inch drill bit. And then we're going to use hardware B, which will secure those 2 spots on each side. And as per the instructions, as recommended, we're going to use some anti-seize on the bolts. Now we're going to install hardware E and the spacers. So this is what it looks like from the inside, how the hardware sits. And this is what the hardware looks like from the outside. Now it's time to put the bumper on and install all of the OEM hardware. And there you have it, the Aerofabb front splitter install. Hope you guys enjoyed.